As part of Toyota's top audio multimedia offering, all premium audio systems come equipped with dynamic navigation. The dynamic navigation map can be accessed at any time simply by pressing the Map button. And it can also be pinned to the home screen. Within this map screen, a menu can be accessed on the left side. This can also be accessed by pressing Menu and then Destination. The destination menu is where you can perform a general search by keyword. Contact the Destination Assist live agent. Select a stored favorite destination. View recent destinations. Find an emergency destination like a police station or hospital. Enter a destination by address or point of interest, or simply choose a destination from your contacts list. Let's review how to enter an address. First, within the Destination menu, select Address. The state or province field will likely already be filled out correctly, but if necessary, select Change State or Province to update. Now let's narrow down a house number. Then a street name. Hit Search, and the system will confirm the destination. If this is a frequent destination, now is a good time to add it to your favorites list by selecting Save. Either way, if everything looks good, select Go. The system will download an optimized route from the cloud. This is why it's called dynamic navigation. You can select from 3 routes, and even edit route if necessary. Otherwise, simply select OK to start the trip. Don't forget you can also enter an address using the voice recognition system. Simply push the talk switch on the steering wheel and speak your command, like get directions to 6565 Headquarters Drive, Plano, Texas. Then just follow the prompts until guidance begins. Many destinations can also be found as a point of interest, or POI. This means you can search for it simply by business name or category, rather than an exact address. To do this, open up the Destination menu and scroll down to Point of Interest. Now, as before, change the state or province if needed. Otherwise, select how you'll be searching. Let's try Name. Simply enter what you're looking for and then select Search. Choose the destination from the search results. Confirm the destination is correct, and then select Go. If needed, you can adjust the same route options as before. Otherwise, choose OK to begin guidance. Now, if you know the type of business you're trying to find, but not a specific name, select Category from the Point of Interest screen instead, and then pick a general search location like Near Here. Next, drill down to your destination through a specific category like dining or banking. And once you choose your destination, just follow the same steps as before to begin your route guidance. Now, let's go over how to save a home address. First, press Menu, and then Setup. Scroll down to the Navigation section and choose Home. Within Save Home, you can either select Address to enter the information manually like a destination, or if you're already parked at home, select Current Location. Whichever way you choose, the system will show the address on the map. Select Enter and then confirm the address and add a custom name if desired. Now just select OK to save your home address. And that's all there is to using dynamic navigation, a key part of Toyota's premium audio systems. For more information, please review your owner's manual or visit toyota.com.